Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we will learn what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk and how to host a web application by using Elastic Beanstalk, and we will deploy a Spring Boot application. Okay, so let's start discussion with what is Elastic Beanstalk. So Elastic Beanstalk is a web application hosting platform that is offered by Amazon. And we will also discuss about the features of Elastic Beanstalk, and finally we will deploy a web application by using Elastic Beanstalk. And to deploy a web application by using Beanstalk, first we need to create one AWS account. Then we can directly deploy our web application by using Beanstalk without creating any instance like EC2. No need to create any storage like S3, and we can directly deploy our code into AWS. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an PaaS service. PaaS service means platform as a service, that is used for deploying the web applications, and a web application can be developed with Java, .NET, Node.js, Angular, any programming language we can use, and we can use any server like Tomcat, Apache, Nginx, and IIS server we can use. For example, if you want a car, then we have two options. First one is we can go to car warehouse and buy the different components according to our requirement and then assemble them. This is a situation when you are deploying an application without using Elastic Beanstalk, and you will have the list of tasks what you need to do if you are not using Elastic Beanstalk, and you need to decide how much powerful EC2 instance you need to use and suitable storage like S3 and infrastructure, everything you need to decide for your application. And you also need separate software for monitoring and security of your application. And the second way is that you can visit a car agency directly and buy a car that is already ready. So deploying an application using Elastic Beanstalk is similar like this. For example, when you are using Elastic Beanstalk to deploy your web application, all of you have to do concentrate on your code only. No need to concentrate on any task like installing EC2 instance, choose suitable storage, maintaining security. No need to worry about this. Everything is monitoring by Elastic Bean, that is pre-configured if you are using Elastic Beanstalk. These are the features of Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is the fastest and simplest way to deploy your web application on AWS. And Elastic Beanstalk automatically scales your application up and down based on the application specific needs, and it also enables you to focus on just writing the code rather than spending time on managing your infrastructure and do configuration like this. And the Elastic Beanstalk gives freedom to select the AWS resources like EC2 instance type that are optimal for your application. And suppose you have deployed a web application by using Elastic Beanstalk, but now you want to make changes to the configuration which have been already assigned to your application by using Elastic Bean. Though Beanstalk is a platform as a service, it provides you with an option where you can change the pre-configured configuration also. Okay, let's start to write the code. First we will create one web application. After that we will deploy this web application by using Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, first I will open my Google Chrome browser. Here I will type start.spring.io. Here I have selected project as a main project, language Java, and Spring Boot version is 2.3.1. So here I will use a group name, that com.example.beanstalk, and here beanstalk demo, and here I need to choose packaging as a var because we will deploy a web application, so we must need to choose var here. Now I will add the dependencies, so here click on add, and here I will choose web Spring Web dependency, and after adding this dependency no need to add any other dependency. So here now I will generate, because I will create simple web application. Now here I will extract this file, extract here, click here and open this file, and now copy this path from here, go to your Eclipse, create a Maven project, or we need to import project that is already created, existing Maven project. Click on next, here I will paste this path and click on the finish. And this is the project structure. So here I will go to my main class, that is Elastic Beanstalk application, and here I will use the annotation that is @REST controller, and here I will create one endpoint, that is public string get message, and here I will use @request mapping annotation at function level, @request mapping, and here I will return string message, return Spring Boot AWS Elastic Beanstalk deployed. And now I will make a clean build by clicking on the project, run as Maven build, then the var file will be generate. Here I will type clean install and apply and run this application. Now here it's building var file inside target folder. Now our application built successfully. Now we need to deploy this application into AWS Beanstalk. So first here I will log into amazon.com console. Sign into console. And here I need to enter root user email address and next enter password and sign in. Now here we need to select elastic beanstalk, elastic beanstalk. Now here I will go and click on create application, that is loading elastic bean settings. And now we need to define a application name, Spring Boot with elastic bean. Elastic beanstalk, and here we can define the tags, that in the form of key value. And here we need to choose the platform, and platform here we will choose the server where we want to deploy. So here we need to choose Tomcat, and its platform branch is using Tomcat 8.5 by default, and platform version is 4.0.1. and here we need to upload the code, load your code. So here I will choose local file. So here I need to go into my target folder, where is my war file is available. So here I will go and inside target folder. So first I need to refresh it. After refreshing, where we can see my war file is available here. So here I will go and copy the path, click here, properties, and here I need to choose the path, that is target. Now I will go to here and click on choose file. Now here we need to choose elastic beanstalk.war file, and here I will select it and open. Now our file has been successfully uploaded. Now here I will click on create application. That is describing the configuration and settings, and internally creating the EC2 instance and S3 storage for my application. Here you can see using elastic beanstalk, SAP South Amazon S3 storage bucket is creating. Environment is staging, that is starting, and it will take some time. And here created EIP, that is 15.206254.74. Environment health has transitioned to pending, initialization in progress, and running for 7 seconds, and this will take a few minutes. Waiting for EC2 instance to launch, this may take a few minutes. And here you can see our application has deployed successfully, and health is okay, and platform is Tomcat 8.5. Now I will click on this link and will run our endpoint. And here you can see the output and the response returned by our endpoint, that is Spring Boot was elastic beanstalk deployed, that the message returned by our endpoint. Okay, thanks for watching this video.